Nobody even prints anymore these days.
You may be surprised. There are many times it makes life easier. Would you trust your toddler with your tablet to do some colouring in?
And did you know you're more likely to remember something if you read it from a physical document than if you read it from a screen? With more of us working and studying from home than ever before, the role of the printer today is an incredibly important one. As a leader in cutting-edge technology and innovation, we're proud to be committed to the future of inkjet. We definitely don't think printers or the technology in them are outdated. Our printers are incredibly advanced, and we invest millions yearly to ensure they keep getting better.
Our printers can fire a single droplet of ink 43,000 times a second. Each one of those droplets is roughly a quarter of the width of a human hair. The level of accuracy as it hits the paper is equivalent of a contact lens being fired onto a football field and landing in exactly the right spot. This means our printers deliver outstanding results every time. Whether you're printing a recipe to send to your friend, activities for your kids, or menus for your restaurant.
With its many benefits over laser, we think inkjet is the future in printing. Epson inkjets use heat-free technology, allowing you to print in a more environmentally friendly way, saving energy, money, and time. Our printers have fewer parts to replace, so you're doing your bit for the environment and reducing the chances of potential downtime.
So get printing.